Auntie Brown, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Auntie Brown.
Hey, that's from Shannon. And Ben said Merry Christmas too. Oh, alright then. Afro Queen over there. You're out with the Afro, you know it goes. Well, as the man say, but just that explain to them about the sad news, you know, about your sister passing away, you know, and really send our condolences, you know. I know it's not easy losing a loved one in a family, you know, and really.
Bigger sister still, you know.
Bigger sister.
Yeah, man. You always go out fair, you know. Because you see.
One boy, one girl.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Dream team, one team, you know, it's the only real team. You know, blessed love to all, blessed love to all. You know, I hope everyone is having a Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to each and everyone out there. And I hope you have a festive season as well and Happy New Year's when it comes. You know, so you know, today is the day we're gonna do a treat for the kids as well too. So basically we got one good news, yeah, and we got one bad news. So you know, the good news is it's Christmas, yeah, I will doing a treat for the kids them as well today. And bad news part, you know, some bad news is never anything good. So the bad news is like, it's really sad to say, because the world chef sister passed away. You know, the world chef sister passed away because of kidney failure, right? Kidney problem as well, so she passed away. So we're gonna get down to that, so we get some more information and that as well too. So it's really sad to say that both chef's sister passed away, you know. So it's good news that we're doing a treat for the kids them. I know it's a really sad news to find out that one of our members them, our family, you know, his sister passed away, you know. So it's really sad. You know, so today we're just preparing for the treat for later, so we're gonna get down to it. I would just want to send our condolences goes out to the Ocean family, you know, to each and everyone, you know, to just stay strong and just keep strong, and just ask them to send the blessings and the condolences to the Ocean family, you know, just ask them to send all the prayers and the health and strength of Ocean to stay strong, you know, because Ocean is like our family, it's not like he's our family. Because we are one, we're not separate, you know, so we are doing things to make it work. So it's really sad to know that one of us passed away, you know. So we thank you so much for supporting us on this journey, you know. We thank you so much for everything that we're doing, you know. today is the Kids Street. You know, we got some names as well to contribute towards the Kids Street as well too. And you know, we got the overcomers, you know, our extended family that contribute towards this Kids Street. You know, for thanking you so much. You know, we really appreciate it for the kids them of Trenchtown. You know, so we have the overcomers who contribute. So we want to give thanks for the extended family who contribute towards the Kids Street in Trenchtown. You know, we cannot thank them as much as we can, you know, but we really appreciate every single thing that they do. You know, I want to thank Dr. K, you know, from New York as well too, who contribute towards it. And you have Moses from New Jersey as well too, who contribute towards the Kids Street. And you have Amber Awards, you know, Amber Awards, big up yourself, you know, much love, Amber Awards. I have Pretty Dana also as well, and our mommy from the UK, you know, contribute towards the Kids Street in Trenchtown. And you know, our truly overcomers, you know, that make it possible, you know. So we have to thank all our extended family, yeah, who make it possible, and I will thank everyone that sent out their prayers as well to, you know, towards everyone in Trenchtown. So thank you so much, you know. So we're gonna keep, you know, in tune and keep up to date, you know. So thank you so much. Dream team, one team. So this is the preparation for the Kids Street. So we have everything already started, you know, and we have some gifts here for some of the members. Them from Mrs. Love, you know, from the UK, from Mrs. Love from the UK with some members' names and them, so we can give them out soon as possible before we start kick off the treat. So the gifts that we got for the Kids Street, you know, we're gonna have bouncer castle, we have ice, snow cones, cotton candy, you name it, you know, we got all them stuff for the kids them. So we are started here. So this is from Blessed Mrs. Love. Yeah, Blessed Love versus from Mrs. Love. Mrs. Love. Light. So we have a light pass here. Name on this one. From Mrs. Love.
Yeah, Mrs. Love. Give thanks in a Merry Christmas when it comes, you know. Yeah, man. Many blessings. More love.
From Mrs. Love. Always name in here, so. Oh, so we have this baby. Oh, baby, show over there, though. No, you're gonna turn, so. We'll put on this here, so baby. Come take out the 1 and 2 and there for me. Okay, and give them and them. Painter there. Him there both, though. So we have that here for painter from Mrs. Love. Oh, this is for Miss Dasa. So put that one over there. For Miss Dasa. Thumper. Call Thumper then. Thumper there. Look for the other name, lady. Look for the other name. Thumper. Thumper. I'll come to you, man.
Jelly.
Alright, Thumper there, chop jelly. Thumper, so the family never forgot anyone I've been seeing on the program. So we have a name here. I'm a no can spell. What that said? Thumper.
Yeah.
So now you name Thumper?
Yeah.
Alright, so we can spell. So this is here for you, Thumper, from Mrs. Love from the UK.
Yeah, thanks and everything. Happy New Year and Christmas and everything. Yeah.
What do you take now and talk to them, man?
Yeah, man. Happy Christmas and New Year and everything. I want.
Mrs. Love.
Love.
She named Mrs. Love.
Yeah.
See there, we give thanks.
Yeah.
Thumper there, everyone chop some jelly. And everything, wash off the heart. Alright, Thumper, blessed love. Angela, Jenna. Come through, Jenna. We're gonna walk around with the bag them like Santa Claus and hand them out to the members then. Yeah, Jenna from Mrs. Love from
Mrs. Love
from the UK. Merry Christmas then.
Merry Christmas, thank you very much.
Mrs. Love.
Mrs. Love.
Who can name you over there now, lady? Yeah.
Esther.
Esther. Coming ball. And it's Esther's birthday today. And it's Esther's birthday today, you know. Esther, happy birthday. Blessed. Happy birthday, Esther. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And, you know, a prosperous New Year and more long life. You know, for the good things that you've been doing. Well, I can't find so much words to tell you. You know, I really appreciate you. You know, you've been like a rock, helping me out so much. You know, behind the scene, only the man who know. But we thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. So happy birthday! Thank you. So this is from Mrs. Love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Esther. Happy birthday to you. Yay. How old are you now?
12. I'm 12.
You tell them again.
12.
How old are you, Esther?
Happy birthday to you. So that's from
Thanks,
Mrs. Love.
Mrs. Love, and this is my birthday gift. One of my birthday gifts. I really appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. So you see, we have good times and we have sad times. Just like we realize Rose's sister passed away. You know, so today is a mixture of feelings, you know, ups and downs. And we're trying to give him our support as much as we can. You know, we're trying to make sure so we put out the best for Rose see and keep him trophy as I'm supposed to.
All of the gym team them, some of them is not here now, but to give your condolence and family.
So we have liquor. Liquor. Yeah. Yeah, liquor. From Mrs. Love.
Mrs. Love, thank you very much and hope you have a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. All of my donors then, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, so it's come at the right time. We can use these sweets for the kids then. I'm back out some of them sweets for the kids too. Mrs. Love, and we have this for liquor, ear cooler. So we need a liquor ear cooler to keep her cool. For liquor, ear cooler. It's an ear cooler cube for liquor. So see this for liquor. Here you go, liquor from Mrs. Love.
Mrs. Love, thank you again and God keep you and your family. All the best. One team, dream team.
Okay, then that's sweets again. Yeah, Haribos. Hey, I've been seeing an Haribo. Yeah, Haribo. I've been seeing Haribo in decades. No, not decades. In a couple of years. Well, I haven't seen Haribos. They look like gummy bear. Pillar case. Alright, so pillar case. Just like baby feeding milk powder. I can go to the so we have a chain stick here and we have a picker. You can pick up the rubbish then. Yeah. Give thanks. Thank you so much, Mrs. Love. You know. No, we have put them in one bag and go around like we are Santa and give them out to our members. So these sweets now we gotta bag them out. Them come the right time for the kids and for the treat. Yeah, them can get sweets. Haribos. We have elder Denny's. Not getting any younger Denny's. What is them elder Denny's?
Not getting younger, thanks.
That is for your Christmas from Mrs. Love.
Mrs. Love.
From the UK.
From the UK. Thank you, Mrs. Love from the UK. So my name is Love. I always love people. You understand? So my name is Give love. Right, give love. Right? Always.
Just to give love for your Ella.
Right.
Ella, Merry Christmas. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, people, you know? Look English act, you know?
Everything going on. Boy,
Yeah.
pull up, can I go there, Daddy? You said you can lock out some other son. Pull up that in the wall. No, pull it up. I said we can laugh out a little bit of the sound, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Well, as they say,
Yeah, man.
but just to explain to them about the sad news, you know, about your sister passing away, you know, and really send our condolences, you know. I know it's not easy losing a loved one and family, you know, and really.
Bigger sister still, you know.
Bigger sister.
Yeah, man. Love always go out for her, you know. Because you see, sad news still, but life, part of life.
Yeah, it's very sad, you know, because I always say it, you know, we're here today, and you know, so we're probably not here tomorrow. So we always have to appreciate and give thanks for life, the same way, you know, and I don't say our condolence goes out to her and her family, to the family, because probably a lot of friends and a lot of family same way where probably the one tell them how much they really appreciate her and they never get the chance to do so, you know. That's why we always have to appreciate each other, because you never know when the time will come.
Yes, man.
You know, because we have to give thanks to each other, because we're here today and tomorrow is not promised. So we always have to appreciate life, you know. So that's why it's always best we can show respect and love to each other, because you never know what can happen. Because a lot of people might feel hurt and say John was tired, you know, so they want to tell her something they really appreciate her and love her, you know, but they never get the chance to do so. I know it's really hurt for you. You know, and they are famous.
Said me, man, just go and hold it in my heart, man, you know. See me?
That too hard, you know, so they go and hold them, you know. I know say the extended family see them and say them blessings and them condolences, see them with family. I don't know, say we all family, you know, we just see them, we're not separate, you know, the whole is one, so there's nothing separate about us. So go and hold strong, see them in worship.
Yeah, man, enough love, man, you know. Yeah, man, extended family, only for love, you know. Mama Jean, enough love and only for respect, you know. Yeah, man, that's it.
Blessing, go.
Blessed, man, you know.
See yourself, you know that. So you're not really close?
Man, my sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because more time, I say when I youth, I go to shave more time. Like all them area come, the money now go on a shave by and I think them for me because she still at town, you see.
Okay.
Yeah, man, that's more time, I have more time, I just go deep, you see.
Yeah.
Bigger sister, my youth, man, I love my sister, you know that. Yeah, man.
But we never get that, we never video her yet, you have video her yet?
No, we never video her because she my mother around there. No, more time she my mother around there, we catch her every day, you know.
Oh,
she's supposed to catch her on one video, man. She my mother, man. Catch her on one video, man.
Wait a minute, Amaya?
Yeah, Amaya mother.
Amaya mother?
Yeah, man.
Okay, yeah.
Check back there,
see
the side and on the next side.
Yeah. So, me have to go check and see if I find one footage with that.
Yeah, man,
yeah, man, just in our condolence goes out, you know. Wow,
love, you know. Holy for blessing.
So,
keep strong, stay hold, man.
Yeah, man, I have a gift here for you from Mrs. Love.
Love.
You know, from the UK. You know.
Mrs. Love from the UK.
I know she's sending out her condolences as well to us this speech.
Yes, Mrs. Love, holy for love, you know. Yeah, man, because I love your name, I love me, I deal with, you know. Yeah, because I have enough love in my heart, you know.
Yes, sir.
Who heart them, you know. So, enough love. Blessing. Yeah.
So, you know, today the day
thank
for
you
the
very
kids
much
them.
on them things, isn't it? Yeah, man, so over there now. See there?
Today's the day for the kids them.
Today's the day for the kids them.
Kids treat them.
Only for love for the children them too, you know, and the kids them, you know. Only for little goodies and, you know.
Yeah. So it's good news and bad news. You know? Good news, you have
bad
the treat for the kids them. And the sad news is that the sister passed. Them have blessed love, you know, and thank you all for the support.
Blessed love, you know. Extended family and enough love to love, you know. You see me? Only for love, you know. And see the kids them now. Have a look, only for little goodies. The kids them, you know. So only for love over there what I told them, man. Blessed him. Come on. Thank you very much. Yeah, love. See me, I said.
I have a bag here for you. It said Smiley from Mrs. Love from the UK.
Mrs. Love from the UK. Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year when it comes. God bless you and bless your family.
Okay, that's from Mrs. Love from the UK. Alright, then give thanks. I've got a bag here for you. And I think you got young Kino as well to our names on it from Mrs. Love from the UK.
This is love from the UK. Thanks a lot. I appreciate what you're doing for me, my family, and dream team. May good Lord keep on guiding and protecting me. Food basket never run dry. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Alright. And we have Mighty Joe. This is got your name on it, Mighty Joe Young from Mrs. Love from the UK.
Mrs. Love from the UK. It's a season of grace and blessing. Your grace, thank you very much for your love and your kindness. Through the rest of time and the moment of life, I ask that God bless you. Each and every step. Thank you. The rest of the Jonas them around the world. Thank you for your strength. For the 4 year.
Well, yeah, we got 3 year. 3 year.
4 year now. Dog.
3.
Start with 4 years. Next year, next 4 year anniversary. Dog.
Yeah, 3 year anniversary.
Still going strong.
Going strong.
Thank you very much. Love alone. Respect.
What is that? Oh yeah, baby. So we have baby here. This is like a duvet for your bed. And we have baby here. It's coming like a more duvet sheet for your bed. And we have baby here. More bags and bags again for you. From Mrs. Love from the UK.
Mrs. Love, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. And thank you for everything that I do for Dream Team. May your food basket never empty. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. And it goes to for all the extended family. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. One team, Dream Team.
Alright, give them.
Yeah, move fast and right there. Oh, the rest.
Like it's been an accident come to have a long time that tour.
Ben.
Some police in carrying us straight. One of them go back to the car with. One of them go to the car with.
Stuff like that.
Baby, not there.
Baby.
We shot it for.
So I bring them come on a treat. I bring them come on a treat.
Come on.
Alright. Ben, how you doing? Alright. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Merry Christmas to you, Ben. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Hello, my friend. How you doing? You're busy. You're busy, man. Oh, you go busy, so?
I was busy taking my dollies.
Oh, busy with your dollies. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Christmas. Father for the year and more.
Give thanks, you know.
Afro Queen on there. Afro Queen on there. So Smiley is ready for them when they're ready. Yeah, for the three of them to get them here done. Yeah, and you know Oliver and Carla is gonna make that happen, you know, he's gonna take care of that. Yeah, so we're gonna give thanks to Oliver and Carla, we're gonna make it happen, you know, for the three of them to get them here done for the holiday. Oliver and Carla.
Yes, Oliver and Carla. What you done to me? That's it, I'm here cover them again.
Yeah.
And then Peter was change, I'm glad for that still, you know?
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
You see, present for you give them for coming on New Year's. Hope it can shine upon them still, and look, is it?
More and more, yeah man. So the three of them will get hairstyle done by Smiley, you know, and sponsored by Oliver and Carla. You know, I will give thanks for them Christmas. for the holiday, you know. So Vamps, as me here, I have a donation for you as well too, you know. Because I'm call you father for the year now, you know. You see me? So this is for father for the year. You know, I have $5,000 worth from Spiritual Taylor from the USA for you. This is Spiritual Taylor. Spiritual Taylor.
Spiritual Taylor. Give thanks and have a couple New Year's and Happy Christmas. And thank you for all the 5 years still, is it?
Yeah.
Far away in the Christmas.
Definitely. Definitely. Yeah? You say yeah? Ben. Yes, Ben said thank you as well too.
Thank you.
Yes, a Spiritual Taylor said Ben tell you thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I have another one as well too. And this is from Lizzie from London, Brockley, London, you know. And she asked me to try my best if I could give it to you just before Christmas. You know, so you can do whatever you're going to do for the kids them for the Christmas. There's $15,000 a year for you from Lizzie from Brockley, London. Just count it for me.
Yeah, change.
Yeah, from Lizzie. Lizzie from Brockley.
Lizzie from Brockley.
London.
London. Yeah, man. I'm off for Christmas. I'm back for yeah. And I'm blessed. New time will come.
Yeah.
Then, thank you for the 550. Give thanks for, you know, everything where you see what I want.
Yeah.
Heart we have, continue to have the heart we have. Yeah, Lizzie.
Definitely.
Love you.
Alright, and so we give thanks to Lizzie and Spiritual Taylor and also Oliver and Carla for the hairstyle. So, part of the year, let's go on with the mats. You know, we're going to go and start with them things. Yeah, man, for the kids' tree. So, we're looking forward. Oh, hold on. Hold on, yeah.
Okay.
So, me have my slippers here for Shanette. Oh, it's for Shanette. This is for you.
Yeah, man.
This is for you.
It's done.
It's for you from Auntie Brown.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's from.
Thank you, Auntie Brown.
Yes, it's from Auntie Brown. You like it?
Yes, I love it.
You love it. So that is from Auntie Brown in the USA.
I'm going to put it on Boxing Day.
Okay, you can put down Boxing Day. Okay, shop plans already, you know, father. Yeah, it's lovely. I like it. I like it. And that's from Auntie Brown.
Alright, Auntie Brown. Alright. She said she love it. Yeah?
And she tell you when she put it on Boxing Day.
Yeah.
So you know, so she have to make sure.
And about Christmas, Auntie Brown.
Yeah.
Prosperous New Year. And take care of yourself. Yeah?
Okay. So you can tell Auntie Brown Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Auntie Brown.
Hey, and that's from Shannon.
Merry Christmas.
And Ben said Merry Christmas too. Oh, alright then. Afro Queen over there. You're out with the Afro, you know it goes. Alright then, Father for the year, take care. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel free. This is Dr. Rogo. A.K.A. Ozana, a traditional medicine doctor of various medicine for all type of disease that the contracting instructor in the body. Alright, so this is Dr. Rogo, and he's going to explain to us the varieties and the stuff that's put into this to make it work. So, Mr. Rogo, what I would like to ask is, these medicine, what is the significance of the human body working towards the human body and sugar? Like someone who have sugar, diabetes, and all those illness.
Well, first and foremost, I want to big up the dream team that make it possible. So we are here to cooperate, to work with the elders, and even the people that are sick in the farm. And give thanks and praise unto Portia Simpson, who have sent us to the seminar with the nutraceutical people, that we give our thanks. Likewise, we give thanks to Josuel, who made me to do the program. You know what I'm saying? Well, this is a formula of the hibiscus mixed with the Guinean wheat, mixed with the vervine, neem, orange peel, banana sucker. So I'm trying to say. It also have the soursop bark. What we are fighting against now is the mucus build-up and the preservative and a lot of the germs that our body intake that giving the liver a problem to produce a clean blood to our body. Once our blood become excavated, that means it's too thick and the mucus build up and a lot of grease and preservative, then that contribute to all of the disease that we are facing, especially sugar. When I went to the seminar, one of the white men told me that every Saturday his grandfather take him to the corner store and give him one Coca-Cola. So he's only allowed to drink one Coca-Cola. So when you take it out, it's 4 Coca-Cola for the month. The average black child drink 4 Coca-Cola a day, 4 7 is 28 for the week. It comes to 112 Coca-Cola a month. So that destroys their blood cell. And then that also put them into a mental state, because the average serial killer feed on Coca-Cola, they feed on donut, they feed on coffee, they feed on cake. Things that are sweet can give you a mental problem or to your body lack of nourishment. So we put together a combination to take down the mucus, clean the blood cell, and to clean the kidney. Once you clean the kidney and the blood cell is great, most disease eradicate from the body. So that's what we're fighting against.
Right, I know. I really give thanks. I appreciate this because, as I say, I see the need. I know a lot of people been suffering from a lot of disease, you know, all different type of what them eating. So it's all about what we intake kind of cause the problem. So these are the cure we can help out. High blood pressure, you know, with sugar and diabetes.
Never finding, you know, but I don't report it yet to the nutraceutical people, because I went to Clarendon and an old man give me some bush and give me, and when I take a stop, I said that is blurry. I can bring it back. When we say that the rest of you go under oppression because of England and because of the Queen, on my research I found that the Rastafarian go under oppression because of the pharmaceutical. Because if people would have lived the way the Rastafarian have tell them to eat right, pharmaceutical have lose billions of trillions of dollars. So they are the one who benefit from us, so that they are the one who try to destroy us. Okay. Dr. Swaby, big up yourself.
Dr. Swaby, yeah man, so we give thanks. So you're donating this to the Dream Team program.
Yeah, and the community. You know,
and the community.
You see, the Dream Team is a team will help the children and the elders, and that's my doing too.
And Dr. Robo, on behalf of the Dream Team and the extended family all over the world, I know they will like to see you and tell you very thanks for what you've been doing and what you are donating.
Yeah.
So the Dream Team and the whole extended family all over, donors, everybody, wish to tell you thanks. Okay?
My privilege.
We give thanks. Thank you so much, yeah? Dr. Robo. Joe, pat them up. My son. This is from Mrs. Love from the UK. Mrs. Love from the UK. Send this gift for you. Mrs. Love. Yeah. Yeah.
Wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year. Thank you very much.
From Mrs. Love. Mrs. Love.
Anybody have this name? We're going to take them out of the line. Yeah, man, still one line. So we're going to find out the one that want this beer. Look how it's the line there. Alright, watch it. Hairline is going to stand in and more line over here. Let me get the more line over this side, please. And the hairline over here. Silence. Yo, either one line or two line. This is not a line, you know. This is not a line. Line up. Go in a line. One line. Go in a line. One line. Go in a line. When you go in a line, one line, stop over. Line up. Yeah, but look one of them line up there on the side. Yeah, but they're in a line. They're in a line. Them group up. Hey. Put him on the front. Put the smaller kids on the front. Alright, so let me get some attention, please. Everyone, quiet, please. Attention. Anyone that is nice, we're going to take them out that night. Don't want some quiet. Let me get some attention, please, kids. So we're small one on the front. Two lines. Girls in one line and boys in one line. Alright, let me get some point, let me get some attention. Everyone look to me, everyone look this way.
Soon get here, guys. Dream.
Everyone look this way. Everyone look this direction, please. Alright, go on then, quiet please. Side up. Don't take the line now. Say quiet. Anybody who's here, they get a knife.
Come out that line, you know. Video can catch you, you know, one nice.
Let me get some attention. Follow the voice. Watch it. Quiet everyone, please.
Don't say nothing, you know. If you make nice, you come out that line.
If 215. Say 215. Alright, let's be silent. Let me see everyone. Everyone, be silent. Everybody get nice. Let's say everybody get nice. I get no time, right? Alright.
She's right here.
We're going to give thanks first, right? We're going to thank. We're going to thank the government that said and make sure that these lovely gifts for Christmas, okay? So we're going to follow after me. So everyone say thank you. Everyone say thank you. Overcomers. Thank you. Overcomers. And we're going to say thank you. Pretty Donna. Come on and say thank you. Pretty Donna. And we're going to say thank you. Mango Award. We're going to say thank you. Moses. And we're going to say in him. Let's take out this in the name. So we're going to say one more name. Alright, so I guess again. I'm going to say thank you. Dr. K. So say in him. Everyone with ice cream? Yeah. Everyone with ice cream? Who knows with ice cream? Put it on now. As soon as I like ice cream? Alright, so we're going to get ice cream on one time. Which one?
You know what I want ice cream.
So everyone get popcorn? Everyone get popcorn. Jesus Christ, as soon as I get popcorn, I want popcorn again. Oh, alright, so we want popcorn outside. Let me put it on for time. Let me put it on for popcorn. Guys, you want popcorn, go on the line, they probably won't get no time. So, you want popcorn? I want time. Okay, so we're going to make be a big game, right? And my boys here, Sam, what's wrong, Sam? Who's still alive? Who's still alive? Because people are here that end up on the back of the line. So anybody that gets this deal, or a team member, because we're going to meet everyone, I'm going to tell them all. That's not the formula. So we have the small ones that are come, and then you go on the back. Right? So I say, ready? On your mark, I'm not ready yet, man. Dream team. Dream team. Dream team. I'm going to keep them. So what's up, guys? Excellent family. Everyone's guys, excellent teacher. So, we're going to get them now, kind of ready.
Take it, my jacket.
So we're going to do the smaller ones first. Where's my? Yeah, do the smaller ones first. You can start right, we'll get your own. But anybody who's going to get this game, I want everybody on the back of the line. You're doing good.
Thank you. Leave that there. In charge.
You can also say anybody on this game, but don't get out that line. So thank you.
One. That is what it's done. You can't manage so much stuff. Come say you, go no baby. That is, go and get some of them. Go and get some of them. Them.
As soon as you advertise, you just come out the line, right? Alright, you go on that side, you go on that side.
Go and get some of them.
Come, you as well, come on the line. Just go and put some of them.
Yeah, you get to see the pit them. You're not going away.
As soon as they get the time, you just step out the line. Happy.
You go and give us some, then go and go on.
Be sure with a boy something there, you can't get it. Try to get it.
Yeah, so when you get something, no step in. Yeah? You don't want it? So take it back then. Thank you. But what? Where you are? That you are? Start feel like a bed. Yeah? Cool. Yeah? Yeah?
Kelly, where you park the bicycle? Where you put the bicycle? You want one in here?
What bicycle? Kelly then. Your bicycle?
You want one for your bicycle?
Hey, that's your bicycle.
Yeah, Kelly!
Coming by, okay? Probably like one take it down. You have one right there, so you know where gone. Probably mix up in everything there. For a boy, medium. Who wear medium? Which boy out here wear medium?
She said that card.
Alright, so that's it, right? Alright, so we have the size 16. Go on. Baby, what size t-shirt is it? Baby, what size do you have now? What that female? What that girl? What age is that?
Lady!
Girl. Hold on. Size 8 boys. 10. So size 8 for the Nike Max. The foot look bigger, you know.
Yeah, fit size.
Same size?
Yeah, fit one.
Alright, that fit size. Hey. So we have a whole over the size 8 Nike Max. Alright, see you, hey, me next put that. Me next put that. Are you that? Alright, I'm going on the dream team by them as well, so it's good enough. Alright then, are you forward and collect these things from the children? Because the kids them don't know the size. So kids, when they collect on the street, they just step out the line with someone else get something. You tell me what? Alright, join the line to the sweetie. Until you get, anybody want face painting? Who want to get them face paint? Anybody want to get them face paint? Alright, so we are, all the kids are cut in. What is so? Alright, so Tata got to do the face paint food. We'll get the face paint. And the cake are going to cut up. Yeah, so, alright, so, collect it.
Anybody misbehave, don't know you'll not get punishment for that. Okay? Yeah, anybody make misbehave and go home. Suspension. That will leave the premises. Alright, so here I'm sweetie when I step out the line. Please, let's go. My soul. When I do this, I'll come around. My soul. So who gets sweetie and standing on the line? Who gets sweetie and standing on the line? Eh? Stop it. It's gone already. Alright, so collect on the sweetie and then step out the line and someone else gets to the sweetie. Baby!
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.